button.
I was gonna.
Call the button. Ugh.
Just play the game.
Okay, baby. I'm gonna need you to chill out now.
I don't even know what that's supposed to be. It's like...
Yes.
So... Ow, Spud, you little shit! Jesus Christ!
He said I want to play. Your feet.
Bite my...
High five. Yeah. You.
Alright, so we
Kiss
have
my
to
boy.
go to the fridge.
Yeah.
The fridge is where all the food is.
Yeah.
'Cause I'm so...
Well, you should have gotten more from the store.
You need to be fucking... Until I get mine.
Drive.
I love the way you fall down.
I haven't driven all day.
Never.
And I want to shoot stuff.
I did the same thing to the last one.
They're gonna hear that on the stream.
Time.
Yeah, I don't care. I'm a popular person.
He's a very popular person. I'm gonna run into you.
Why?
Oh, I'm sorry.
So what's up, internet?
So the troll queen is back. She's here to take more of my weapons.
Hey, thanks for taking the bait and grabbing that.
So last episode, Angel betrayed us.
Yes.
The bulky one with rolling buttons
Yep.
attacking my iridium mine.
Even though, no, we're going the right way. Oh wait, no, it's up here.
I just fucking asked you.
I'm a man. I'm always going the right way. That is very true. Excuse me. Sorry, I hit the wrong button. Oh god. Oh.
I'm out of ammo.
Oh, that's right. I still have that LMG.
Would you move the fuck out of the way?
I'm shooting heads. I'm out of ammo. Fuck. We should have picked some ammo up before we went. Ow. No. Yes.
You bitch! I was gonna get second win from him.
I got you. It's gonna be okay. I've got you. There you go. Oh man, he got obliterated. Oh, boom. Headshot, knee shot, elbow shot. Oh my god, my aiming is impeccable.
Stay still.
Oh, there we go. Jesus. Ooh, there you go.
Ammo.
We need ammo badly. I think we should go back to town, probably pick up some
No,
ammo.
there's probably ammo.
I hope so. That's fire. Nothing in there.
There's definitely gonna be.
I hope so. I got squad. I got some sniper ammo, and that's really it. You big boom, boom, boom.
I do. Jiggle.
Left.
I've been following Jack's orders from the beginning. Jack modified.
Alright, we gotta not go left.
Found to have a Hyperion.
Oh, we gotta go left.
Through it, I was able to access Sanctuary's
Alright, there.
defenses and lower
Dudes
them.
right. Oh, there's dudes.
Part of Jack's
Pop, pop, pop. The only thing I don't like about this is it takes forever to freaking get out of here, tunnel rat. But its magazine clip is ridiculous.
You don't quit. Jump in your car.
Stop. Well, then stop standing behind me.
You're the one that runs right in front of me, Russell.
Oh my. Well, you know. Midget.
Stop.
Midget. Alright, fine. Then you know what? I'll just use the sniper so you can be in the front.
Explosives.
What? You mean in the back? You in the
Happy
front?
birthday.
Am I right?
Are you wrong?
I'm dead.
You.
Yep. I've got it. Sons of bitches will not stop running away from me. Damn it. Oh, field rat right in front of me. Stop running away.
Get him.
Stop. Don't. Yes, barely. God, that was close. Yeah, you were hoping I wouldn't make it. Oh, fuck! I think they're coming from the sides. Got him. Well, that'd be impressive, to be honest.
No. Iridium!
Yeah, you started.
No, fuck Rack.
Here's the thing about me, is the your mama jokes just don't really work on me. Because I apparently have no shit.
I love my mom.
Well, I love my mom too. She's a sweet and wonderful lady. Whoa. Sorry, I had to focus.
Ooh.
It's a badass pistol right there. Oh. I am not going to be able to lay like this.
Tricked Roman and his friends into opening the vault. I told them it was to protect Pandora from a great evil.
Oh, child. Oh.
Jack knew the iridium held within the vault. He was too much of a coward.
Get at it. Ah, I got him.
Through me. He got the vault.
Get brighter.
I'm so tired of manipulating people.
Oh, okay. Alright, they're spawning from behind. Midget. Alright,
Oh no, oh no.
What are you doing? Get out of there.
Help me, help me.
Get out of there. Oh god, they're coming from behind. Sorry, I got a turd out. This guy in the way. Turret is doing work. Oh, 22s, dog, 22s. 22-inch rims.
Why would you want those?
I don't know. I couldn't tell you.
Look.
Oh, don't you? Okay, that's not for. I thought that was a weapon for. Dear, take that. Holy shit! I fell off. Oh god.
Oh, I remember.
You have to shoot them in those crystals, if I remember correctly, right?
Challenge completed. Right in.
Critical.
Right.
Oh my fucking Jesus, he hurt. Don't hurt. I am not here. My rifle.
So they missed all like fun of my.
Oh no, we can start that back up again.
Can we not? No, like the whole thing with us for the first time got cut out.
No, we met Scooter. Scooter's in the first episode.
I know, but.
Wanna meet my girl?
No, I mean, yeah, no, we get to meet Scooter. Because the first episode goes to us being to like level 4. The second one we finish where we get off the island, like the beginner island.
Racks everywhere. God damn.
And they're exploding rocks too. Jesus Christ! All right, rocks. Where's my turret? Turret kill one for me.
Hold it together. I didn't know you cared.
I didn't know you cared.
I care a lot. She's my best friend.
Oh, that's. Oh my God.
Kill that son of a bitch.
Got him.
Fucking got him.
Ah, fucking blowing up. Holy shit, we got more coming.
I can make it. Oh shit.
Hold on, I'm coming. Honey Boo Boo?
I need more ammo.
Hold on, wait.
Get him next time.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay, I'm about to die, but... Cracks. Oh, I'm done. Fucking A.
Now, you
Got it.
know. How about that?
This is a badass rack.
Keep firing.
Yeah, I remember this.
Hey, thanks for that.
I died a lot on this one. Of course, I die a lot on most games.
Stop it, you fucking racks.
Alright. Hey. Oh, get out. I'm just gonna make a break for it. Fuck this. Oh, see ya.
Wait, leave me behind.
You be careful.
Alright, fine. I'll throw my turret out.
Fuck this. Please.
Ow. Jesus. What is hitting me?
Empty here.
Oh.
Fucking racks. Every fucking where I'm fucking stuck of it. Ah!
Are you alright? Everything okay? Oh, snipe hunting. Jesus Yes.
I need
Yeah, we might have to just make a break for it. I think after this one we need to book it.
Free.
Alright. There we go. Let's just run. Fuck it.
running. Run to the diamond.
Run
Keep
to
running.
the diamond. I think we went to. Ow. Ow, I'm getting hit.
Turret out.
It's not out. I can't use it right now.
Oh my god.
Excuse me.
God.
Oh god. Just keep running. I will be okay.
Ah, shit!
I'll be okay. I can just shoot criticals.
Oh no, this might have been a bad idea, Russell.
Well, I thought it was a good idea at the time. Obviously, I was mistaken. Shoot him! God almighty, that takes forever. Oh, there you go. Oh man, I start all the way at the beginning. God. Well, please make it to the end. Well, I'm just gonna run straight. Frigid cleft. You down? I found it. I found the exit. Exit! Freedom! Calls. Oh, I accidentally took the elevator with him.
You have no reason to trust me. I get that.
I get a little happy with the
To
triggers.
stop Jack from controlling.
Or if I see a lever or anything,
You need my help.
yeah, I just have to pull the lever one. There you go. I'll send it back up for you. There you go. It's coming. Oh look, there's an ammo dump.
Yeah.
High quality, low pressure.
2, 1, let's go. I want more chocolate. Or that chicken. I just want to reiterate that I'm not fat. I'm just.
I want to reiterate that I'm giving her the look of death right now.
I haven't been hungry for like 3. Everybody should be happy.
It's about frickin' time. Oh my god, I'm having a spaz earthquake
What
right
is
now.
happening?
What
Oh.
the fuck?
Oh. Where is it?
I'm awesome.
Oh, there it is.
Hey, killer.
Straight ahead.
The city? No big deal. Find a way back here.
All right, we don't need.
There it is.
We don't need to go to the end.
Heroes reappeared. You can use any
Oh, Needle Stalker.
to get back to the Crimson Raiders. I'll mark the nearest
Where'd he go?
point with your echo device.
Oh, there it is. Needle Stalker. Wild little things. That was slag.
Hold
Hit
it.
him with a melee stick. Bop, bop, bop. I need to get a better weapon. This thing has a lot of bullets in it, but it doesn't do a whole lot of damage.
Come on, we have to jump off the cliff.
Okay, I'm all about cliff diving.
Ready? Woo!
Hey, yo!
Actually.
Yeah, we did. We were supposed to be right.
Oh, no.
Oh, fucking ass.
Right? No. That's where we
no.
came from. Why is the diamond?
Remember, everybody.
Oh, use fast travel.
Hold on, I need to kill more of these annoying ass needles. Yeah, buddy!
Bombs away.
Oh, hit him with the rockets.
Rocket.
Oh, I blew up my damn
My
turret.
favorite thing to do whenever I play is I'll walk around the store and I'll start. So they get the fucking fuck out of the store.
Get the fuck out.
Error. Location, sanctuary.
Oh, you did the fast travel?
Oh no. The phase blast must have taken Sanctuary off the fast travel.
God, these needle stalkers are so irritating. You could shoot them more than like twice
There's
before
the
they...
iridium extraction plant nearby. I think I know how to get you back.
I think their hitboxes.
Go to extraction.
I didn't lie to you about everything.
Oh, I remember doing this part.
You really are the only person who can stop Jack.
I definitely remember that I was like out in the same situation we're in now, where like my level was too low.
They can help you reach him.
Because I spent forever out here just killing.
It will be you who brings Jack down.
Alright, that works. Sniper rifle. Chill! Hey, look, Hyperion.
Hyperion.
Oh, you. I needed ammo!
I need.
Anything in here? Oh, here we go. Ammo dump.
Oh, I remember.
Yep. I remember this part because you have to fight like 80 billion robots.
God.
We need to get some weapons with shock damage.
We can get Sanctuary
Possible.
back onto the fast travel network. I promise. Little as I'm sure that means.
Hyperion.
Thank you for. Your near-death experience means a lot to us.
Oh, exploding loader just fucking. I'm hitting like 1,000.
You got me?
I got you.
So.
Yeah. Oh, there we go. That's. All right, I'm throwing a turret out. I'm tossing the little lady. His action.
Any emotional reaction, report to your supervisor for summary destruction.
Don't worry, I'll stay back and take down the dude.
Swag.
Every time you do it, hey, you get a little bit of an XP every time I kill things. So.
Shit.
That exploder took out the bridge controls. Find another way across.
Oh, where you at?
But how am I supposed to find another fucking way across the river, Angel? Goddamn.
Hold on. Get on back here, girl.
Well, I'm trying to. Hold on.
You got dudes on the left, dudes on the right, dudes running behind.
That sounds like a typical night at the bar for me.
Two dudes to the side.
No, but really.
Well, guys at the bar, you could have like, as long as you got boobs and an ass, they should hit on you all night. God, this sniper rifle is freaking beastly. Oh shit! I'm down.
You alright?
Exploding loader got me. Yeah.
Stay calm.
I got him. I got the second one.
Get him, look out, exploding loader.
Exploding loader, run away!
Oh no.
Turret's got a gun loader down there. Dude's up there on the top.
How did I do that?
Whoop.
Oh shit.
Gun
I'm
loader.
moving. How did I do that?
Where are
I
you?
figured out how to do it by accident.
God damn it, I'm just down here getting killed.
Sorry.
Alright. I got all the robots.
Robot able to
We're okay.
a thresher.
We're alright.
With the ability to be proud of the fact that they terminated
You
a
see those little
thresher.
supply shots?
Alright. So you been watching any good shows lately?
Get the moon base to
You been watching?
Well, Orange is the New Black doesn't come out till June.
Use that to
So
get
no.
Sanctuary
Ouch.
on the fast travel network. Simple.
Other than that, I'm just
Except not at all.
How I Met Your Marathons.
Oh, that's a good one.
I love How I Met Your
I have a.
Dying puppy. A baby.
You know, I just got done. I just got caught up with Arrow season.
Previous statement.
You can watch the finale now.
Emotional reaction.
Of Arrow.
Your supervisor.
I love it.
Instruction.
Show.
What the fuck is
I need
going
it.
on? Oh shit.
Oh, you got fucking. I can't get over there, by the way. I'm just gonna have to hopefully get some guys with a sniper rifle.
That's okay, I got boom boom.
Is it boom, boom, boom? There we go.
No circumstances are Hyperion.
Okay.
Approach the
Fuck me. Oh, well shit.
Yeah, you gotta spawn all over the hell back here. Kill him. There's an exploding loader that I've almost killed. Sweet.
Slap.
Out this way.
A dying customer.
Finally.
There it is.
I made
There
it.
it is.
Holy shit. Oh my.
Any emotional
Get out of here.
report to your supervisor for
Ah.
instruction.
Sorry, my turret's up. Alright, sorry, I'm dead. I'm dead.
Your turret still stay up when you...
Yeah, it does. I'm over here.
You're fine, you're fine.
I'm
Well, shit.
totally not fine.
Keep shooting it.
I'm trying. I'm gonna die though, probably. Almost got it. You got it. You get that
Reload faster.
XP bonus,
I
yeah.
did it! I did it all by myself.
Yeah, because it's like 20 rockets that I threw in it did absolutely nothing to them.
You'll need a quiet place to set up
And you're ahead of me on. Actually, no, I caught up. Actually, I got a level 2, even though I was dead.
Congratulations for their
the
initiative
people of
before their
Overlook
Why can't I open it? I want my other weapon, damn it.
disturb us.
To laser sight. Kill skill. Kill an enemy, increase your gun damage boost. Add, ooh, multi-rocket pods? Yes, please.
Bullet speed was awesome.
Well, got no plan to stop Jack, but at least the quakes from his drills aren't
Now
in
my-
the city anymore. Silver linings, you know?
Now my turret has.
I
If
can't
the
believe
previous
Jack was
statement
controlling
elicited any
Give me autumn grenades.
He
report
almost
to
got
your
killed opening the
supervisor for
vault,
summary
just so he could
instruction.
bring that son of a bitch into power.
Well, now we're almost getting killed just to get him out of power.
No, now we're almost getting killed just to get him out of power. Holy shit. Let's check out the rockets. Oh, yes. Damn, those guys got fucked up. Good God. The old little lady just got a lot bigger. Much more boom boom. I decided to sacrifice to play defensively.
Sacrifice it is.
Yep.
So frustrating. You see, this is what I don't.
Hey, look, it's a little
bad guys. You know they
mill. It's a water mill.
don't
Watermelon.
quickly. Man,
Alright.